morning, Facebook. Mike Farrell, the Dapper Realtor with ERA American Real Estate here. So, do me a favor, if you find this information helpful, hit that like button and share this video so that your other friends and family can use this information as well, because this is going to be important. So what brings me here today? So, the house behind me, I have a buyer that's buying this house, and during the home inspection we found out that the AC is shot. So, she's got a couple of choices, and we had somebody out give a quote. That's what I'm doing right here now, is I was letting the AC people come in and take a look, another company, so we can get a few different quotes. So she could repair the AC unit, and that's a couple of grand, or she could replace the AC unit with a new one. So that's, substantially more, twice as much, or even more, potentially, depending on what unit she picks. But, you got to weigh those options. So is it worth doing potentially maybe a temp fix where you spend the money and fix the unit so it's working, and then, 6 months, a year down the road, you have problems with that unit again? Well, that's what happened to me and the unit that I had at our house. We did a fix, and then a few months down the road, it was broke again, and we're having somebody come out and fix it again. So with the older units, keep in mind that they typically run an older type of Freon, something around like R22, and it can be quite expensive for those older types of Freon to get that unit filled back up. So if you need a repair where they have to take the Freon out to perform the repair, you have to pay to get that Freon filled back up. So think about these numbers. It could be somewhere around $100 a pound to get more Freon put back into that thing. And when you're talking about 8-9 pounds or more, depending on the system, that number adds up pretty quickly. Now, compared to newer units, they use a newer type of Freon that's far more affordable and better for the environment. That's why the cost is lower. And that's, much lower. We're talking like maybe $20 a pound, somewhere in there. And so when you compare those two numbers and the cost to just replace the Freon, a new system will pay for itself easily within a couple of years if the old system still needs some work to keep it going, and you're just throwing money at it to keep that unit moving along. It could be, a much better cost savings to replace that old unit with a newer one that uses a newer type of Freon. So keep those things in mind when you have any AC issues. If you have any other questions, or you want some information about something else you're looking into for your home, reach out to me, let me know. Shoot me a text, or hit me up on Facebook, or just give me a call. So, again, hit that like button, please. If you found anything useful in here, share it with your friends and family so they can have this information too. We could potentially help them save a lot of money and a lot of heartache in the future. And please check out my YouTube channel. I'll provide a link for it in the description. I'm starting to do a lot of videos now, a lot of videos for buyers to help educate them through the process. So I'm kind of doing a step-by-step buyer's guide for a video series. So that's pretty exciting. A lot of great information. You can find those on my YouTube channel, and you can find them here on my Facebook page as well. So again, it's a Dapper Realtor reminding you to love life and stay dapper. And I'll see you guys again soon. Have a good one.